Hey guys, it's Taya back with another video. I just want to come on camera and show you guys how I style my hair really quickly. Today, I recently just washed my hair, and so I wanted to go ahead and put it up into like a puff, but I didn't just want to put it in like any type of puff. I wanted to go ahead and try to jazz up this puff a little bit. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my hair. This is just something really quick and easy if you're on the run, something you can wear and rock to the office, or just out with your girls or your friends or wherever you may want to go. I think the style is super simple. So I'm going to go ahead and try to show you guys how I style my hair. So I recently just washed it. Now, even though my hair is pretty detangled, it did kind of dry, and it wasn't all that, you know, detangled. So if you guys have hair like mine, don't rip it out your head, please. Don't do that, okay? Whew. Okay. All right, I think that should be good enough. I'm just gonna clip this part away. Oops. So I'm gonna be putting a little bit of this leave-in and this Jane Carter's scalp condition and scalp. I think I'm gonna be doing a braid. I'm gonna just do a big braid. Really should have detangled this a little bit better. All right. I'm gonna take a bobby pin and I'm gonna hold it back like that. Like I said, guys, this style was pretty easy. And then I also have my crochet needle. And so I'm just gonna put that here. And then I'm just gonna hook it on my needle and just kind of pull it through. So you guys can kind of watch how I do it. I'm not even really sure yet. So you guys kind of see how I try to add a little something, jazz it up a little bit. Just take this part, bring it around, just loop it around. This part is a little bit easier. I don't have to kind of, yeah. All right. So just tie this in a knot. And then I'll just figure out what to do with the excess once my hair is in a pony. Care edge control. Take a little bit. It's kind of thick. Sorry guys, my camera died. So now I'm just gonna take that same edge control. And you guys already see that I've kind of already slit this part up, and this edge control is making my hair look like it's permed. It's real sleek, you guys. I didn't know I was gonna do that. I forgot because I actually used to use this one for my straight hair, and I did pull it out of my straight hair bin. So yeah, I'm just taking that edge control. I'm just laying it down. Laying my hair down with it. So what we're gonna do is do a looser one. just gonna cut them. Alright. Push that back. And just kind of fluff out my bun. And since my bun, I didn't even take my gel yet. Take a little bit of my spray bottle. Just spray my hair. Just a little bit of water. Take a little bit of that edge control. And then take the gel. Just kind of twirl my hair around. And I'm using the edge control because I want it a little bit elongated. I know you guys are like, girl, what you got going on? Don't worry. It's gonna come out good, I promise. I hope it do. Otherwise, the vision I had, it's looking a little crazy, ain't it? I know y'all like, girl, what you got going on with your hair? It's gonna come out good, I promise. Alright. I'm gonna do with this part, because it's looking a little raggedy. I'm gonna spray some water. And I'm just going to rake through. I'll take a little bit of this gel. Just rake my hands through. See how it's starting to look better already? That's all you really want to do. And I'll be back probably in the morning to show you guys the finished result. So, see you guys in a few, well, tomorrow. Hi guys, I'm just doing my last little bit of finishing touches to the makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my scarf off. And as you guys can see, my hair is pretty dry now. The curls are intact. Yes, I think that's pretty good. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the gems, these things, just random pieces. I think that's it. And then I think I might add one to the front right here, since you can't really, you can see it, but not as much as I would like. So I'll probably just add one of these little gem things. I don't know what they're called. What are they called? Hair accessories, I don't know. Add one right here to the front. Hopefully it does not mess up my little style that I got going on. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yep. There we go. I think that is so cute. And that is pretty much the final look, guys. I'm just gonna throw on my little earrings. I've been loving my hair oil lately, especially in the colder months. This is the final look, you guys. I just wanted to do something quick, easy, and cute, fun, flirty. And yeah, just get away from my typical puff you know, sometimes you guys know the puff can get a little bit boring, so I just wanted to spruce it up a little bit for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't already done so, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Hit that bell. Don't play. Hit the bell. Say no. If you guys want future notifications from me, then make sure you hit that bell. And it'll notify you every time I post a new video. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. I think it is super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will talk to you guys in the next one. And until then, you guys know what to do, right? Stay blessed and glow up, girl. Love you guys.